So yeah, this battery came from Fort 9. Supposed to fit our Victory. Pretty good. So it looks like there's 2 compartments there. Danger. And there it is.
Oh, you empty it. You empty the content into the battery. Oh. So let's go step by step here. First step. Looks like there's some hardware right here.
A couple of terminals with the top there.
So, second step is we pull these off. We gotta wait 20 minutes. So, here goes. Upside down. Push it straight down.
Push down.
Make sure the air bubbles are coming up from all 6 filler ports. Leave the container in this state for 20 minutes or longer. Be careful that all the electrolyte is flowed out. At the bottom of the same as in step 4, if there's any electrolyte left in the container, pull the container gently out of the battery. Fill procedure is now complete. Never remove the strip of caps, nor add any water to the electrolyte. I wonder why they tell you to leave it like that for 20 minutes. And then charge it. Any additional charge is recommended before placing this battery into service. These batteries are sealed maintenance. Oh, they are sealed. Never add water. Use 12 volt 1 amp motorcycle battery charger. Notes these charging guidelines. And that's it. It's not so tough. Maintenance and service. Battery not in use tends to run down and create sulfate deposits. After your battery has been filled and charged, it's essential that you keep it adequately charged either by running the vehicle or by using an independent battery charger. As far as effort goes, that was pretty simple.
Wait for this 20 minutes. Then we'll put the cap on it. Wait another 20 minutes. Alright, so timer's up. 20 minutes has gone by. And once it's fully sealed, it's never meant to be opened or touched again.
It actually feels pretty tight. I'm I'm
Nice
actually
design, nice setup, I think.
pretty
no?
surprised, actually. A little bit of electrolyte still on there.
That's it for the batteries. Now I'll set up another timer for, what was it again? 20 minutes?
Another 20 minutes. And then we charge it.
So this is the tender that we usually use. Pick it up at Canadian Tire.